Okay, so what are accruals? We have done recurring. Recurring is posting transactions that are of same amount with regular intervals. Okay. Accruals is basically realizing revenues and expenses, matching principle. This is accountancy principle, right? Realizing. Realizing is not paying, but realizing that customer was sold stock material based on sales order. Sales order was $10,000. To enable this, there are expenses incurred, which can be cost of sales as well, but let's not complicate that discussion, but expenses were incurred. And let's say $2,000 of expenses were incurred to make sure the sales happened and the customer has not yet, this is on receivable, not yet received sales order. Okay. So we have revenues which are realizable and realized. What is both for expense plus revenue? What are realizable and realized? Realizable is will be paid, either income or expense will be paid. There is assurance that this will be paid. Realized means already paid. That's the basic difference, and this is used in accrual method. So what is accrual? Let's say you paid a rent for the warehouse to store customers' stock or material, okay, or the finished product, whatever, okay. But there was a term, right? Let's say today is 19th of June 2023. You entered a rental agreement for some days or for some months, and the rental agreement was, let's say, 2,000, which will be paid by July. Okay. So rental agreement happened on 19th of June, and the sales order was raised on 18th of June 2023. So now what you'll do in the books of June, you will realize the expenses and revenue, which is matching principal. So what will you do? Speaking of the rent, yet receivable is revenue, but you have to realize the expense for that rent expense of that month of June. So 19 June 2023, this will be your entry. Rent expense for warehouse to outstanding expenses. Outstanding rent expenses. You can have many other heads for insurance, for internet, for okay. your rental agreement says you are bound to pay in July. Okay. So when 1st of July is updated, you will reverse this entry, and that will be in July, not June. And this will be absorbed in the month of June. Because of this, we have to carry out the accrual reversal in the next month. But we have to absorb this in the month of June. For this, we raise this entry, the entry in blue. So we reverse this entry and it is outstanding expense 2000 and rent expense 2000. And this is knocked out. This is the effect of knocked out, being knocked out. So in SAP, what is a treatment? There is a treatment called negative posting and alternative date posting, because 1st of July you have reversed this, but it was posted in June, 19th of June posted. Okay. So alternative, let's see that. What is that? Adjustment posting and reversal. Permit negative posting. Now, what is negative posting? I'll tell you that. Negative postings. FI 46. FI 46 negative postings are permitted. That's one thing. Okay. Define reasons for reversal. Negative posting. Let me just see if we have another check. No, there should be another check, but there is no check again. Okay. Define reasons for reversal. Yeah. Over here, we have reversal in current, closed, actual reversal in closed, accrual and deferral. Negative posting, yes. Alternative posting date. Now, what's this alternative posting date? Let me tell you that. Negative posting first. Let's have a look at that. When you posted rent expense 2000, outstanding expense 2000, reversal will reverse this, but the reversal will be with negative posting. It's like this. Rent expense is debit, but with a minus 2000, and outstanding expense minus 2000. So the effect of this is debit side will have positive plus negative debits canceling each other out. Okay. And so we'll have the credit side plus and minus. Okay. And credit. So your debit will not have a reversal on credit. It will not have a it will not have a it will not have a reversal on credit side. Credit side. Okay. It's on the debit side. That is negative posting. Alternative posting. Now, what is alternative posting date? Let me tell you that. Alternative posting. Now, what is alternative posting? Alternative posting is this. That 19th June 2023, you posted the entry. On 1st July 2023, you reverse it. Okay. So if this is not checked, then you cannot reverse it on this date. Instead, you'll have to reverse it on 19th June 2023. So the effect, net effect will be cancelled. It will be killed because the essence is that we want to book and absorb the entry in June to realize the expense. Realize the expense. So we have to book it and absorb it in June. So we need, and without this check, if it is not checked, then we can only reverse in 19th June. That's the reason. If we want to reverse it on in another month, like July 2023, then we want to have alternative posting date. Okay, that's the reason. That's the reason. Okay, now let's go to the entry FES1. Okay, so is it clear here or no? Is it clear? Let me show you the reversal reason first again. Let's just revise it for a while. This is transaction reasons. We have reason 05. Okay, FES1. But before we go for FES1, let's create a rent expense and outstanding expense account. Petty expense. Oh, 30201, 3022. Rest will be the same. Okay. Um, then we have um, outstanding expenses. Outstanding expenses will be liabilities, assets, liquid funds, income, expense, recon, material, clothing, miscellaneous, and different accounts. Okay, we don't have a, we have income, we have assets. Okay, okay, let's make one. So we do 4, 546, 546, holding 80330. Okay, and 80330, 90,000 will be our liabilities. 546 liabilities. 9100. Okay, 90,000 to 90. At 546. Okay, 00. 90,000 balance sheet account, liabilities. They are automatically low. Okay, we have expense, rent expense 30,202 and 95. Okay. Yes, 1 1906 2023 SA. You can also change the type of the document, accrual and thousand. Reversal view 05, reversal date 01 07 2023 430202 2000 uh accrual 2000 accruals 2000 reversal 01 of July. Okay, 50 is 90,000. This is liabilities star. Okay, item category not assigned. Now, what is this error? This is SPRO. Financial accounting, general ledger, um, business transactions, document splitting, classified GL accounts. Okay, we will have to add a new entry, which will be 90,000 to 90099. Override no, and this is the liabilities or balance sheet item, balance sheet account or fixed expenses, revenue, liability, company code clearing. No, we don't have liabilities, so balance sheet account. Okay, save. And the next step is very easy. Master data, profit center, assign default profit center to accounts. Now liabilities account is the uh, responsibility of the head office because they have to take care of the liabilities. Does not exist. Oh, okay. 90,000. Save. So for this, we need master data to be created already, which is not. Okay. So now let's see the entries. Enter. Oh, we'll have to do this again. FPS 1. Reversal date will be 07 40 30202 SA, enter 2000. Okay, 90,000 star, enter, post. Okay, 109 was posted in June. Okay, so we've posted this and we will uh, uh, create a reversal. Okay, we create a reversal of this document, and that is done through F.81 546. Document number, document type was SA. Posting date is 01.07/2023. Reverse posting date is 01.2023. Posting period 07. Reversal reason 05. Execute. No list. Why? Okay, we have 109. Okay. Now this is already absorbed. What happened? What happened? Okay. This is the document. Okay. And we can. This is the document. And we can reverse the documents. Reverse with document 1010, and over here you can reverse it. Okay. This is how reversal date is also given here. And let's see. FPL 310. Rather, we'll go with selection and 90,000. All items. Okay. Accrual 1010. Document overview. Outstanding expense is 40. Rent expense is 50. Negative posting. Negative posting. Negative posting. Oh, okay. 30202. 9,000. Execute. 1091010. Column. Rent expense and outstanding expense. Okay. So whenever we will generate a report, it will show the negative postings on the debit side. That we'll see in the report side. Okay. That's all.